गुरु ब्रह्मा, गुरु विष्णु, गुरु देवो महेश्वरा। हम सब बचपन से यही चैंट करते हुए बड़े हुए हैं। हम कहते तो हैं कि गुरु का दर्जा भगवान के बराबर है, बट टुडे आई हैव अ सीरियस क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। इफ यू वॉक इनटू अ टॉप गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी टुडे और अ शाइनी प्राइवेट कॉलेज, गुरु ढूंढने से भी मिलेगा क्या? We are obsessed with gross enrollment ratio. Every politician talks about opening new IITs, IIMs, and universities. Buildings बन रही हैं, कैंपस चमक रहे हैं, रिबन कट रहे हैं, but inside those classrooms, सन्नाटा है. Today on Gyani Knows, which is a segment of our main channel, Unfiltered Book Talk, where we talk of social and ethical issues, we are looking at this massive silent crisis in Indian higher education. The shortage of teachers in government colleges and universities and the exploitation of teachers in private ones. ऊपर से सब फर्स्ट क्लास लग रहा है, बट अंदर से सिस्टम टोटली खोखला हो चुका है. Let us start with the सरकारी dream, the IITs, the central universities, the pride of our nation. जरा डाटा पे नजर डालिए. As of late 2025, the central universities alone, over 5,410 teaching posts were vacant. That is nearly 28 to 30% of the sanctioned strength. सिंपल भाषा में हमारी टॉप मोस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज, आईआईटीज और आईआईएम में 30% टीचर्स की कमी है. एंड डोंट थिंक दिस इज जस्ट इन स्मॉल टाउन्स. बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट्स भी नहीं बचे हैं. एंड एम्स हैव वैकेंसीज रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 30 to 40%. Imagine sending your child to IIT, dreaming of world-class mentorship. आपने सोचा बच्चा आइंस्टाइन बन के निकलेगा, पर वहां पढ़ाने वाला कोई है ही नहीं. But the scariest stats, 56%. According to reports, nearly 56% of professor level posts, the most senior experienced guides, are vacant. PhD scholars are wandering around without guides. Research is stuck. Why? Why? Because the hiring process is stuck in court cases and bureaucratic paralysis. अब चलिए कुछ प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज की रियलिटी भी जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. Now let's flip the coin. Let's talk about the private universities. यहाँ टीचर्स की कमी नहीं है. There is a shortage of respect. Respect किस तरह की? University Grants Commission recommends a starting salary of roughly rupees 57,000 for an assistant professor. Well, that's fair. Somebody may agree or may not. Let's say a PhD scholar deserves it and has to get it. But the ground reality दिल दिला देने वाली है. It's heart shaking. In hundreds of private colleges across tier 2 and tier 3 cities, qualified professors are being hired for rupees 15,000 to 25,000 a month. Think about that PhD scholar जिसने अपने जिंदगी के 5 साल रिसर्च में लगा दिए, उसे एक कैब ड्राइवर से भी कम पैसे मिल रहे हैं. Is it a joke?
20,000 rupees. How am I supposed to manage with this?
और इसके बाद आता है एक और, I can call it as the worst scam, the 11-month contract scam. To avoid paying provident fund, gratuity, or giving job security, colleges and even certain private universities hire these teaching staffs for 11 months. And then they are given a break, and that break is called technical break. for few days and then rehire them. सालों साल निकल जाते हैं पर नौकरी पक्की नहीं होती है. Now you expect this person who is worried about paying his next month's rent. Do you think he's in a right state of mind to shape the future of your children? Just impossible. So why does this matter to you? अब आप बोलोगे ज्ञानी जी हम क्या करें, ये हमारी प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी है. गलत. It is your problem because you are paying fees in lakhs for your children. When there are no permanent teachers, you get ghost departments. Guest faculty आते हैं, lecture देते हैं और चले जाते हैं. There is no mentorship at all. No one is there to guide the students. No one is there to help the research of a PhD research fellow. Churning out graduates who have degrees but no skill at all. हम सिर्फ डिग्री बांट रहे हैं, एजुकेशन नहीं, और वो डिग्री सिर्फ दीवार पे टांगने के काम आती है. And the best minds, they're leaving India. Brain drain isn't just about students leaving India. It is teachers leaving because they can't feed their families here. So we need to stop building the buildings and start building people. A university is not made of bricks and glass facade. It is made up of relationship between a teacher and a student. If we don't fix it, if we don't fix this crisis in government colleges and universities, and if we don't stop this wage theft in private colleges, we are walking into a future where we have millions of graduates but zero thinkers, but zero people who will be able to support their families. So your child's life will settle only when the education system settles. आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है? Faced empty classrooms or underpaid jobs in these universities and colleges? Comments में बताइए. Break that silence. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unfiltered Book Talk for more such reality checks. See you in the next one. Thank you.